Welcome to Kids Club.
Let's learn some courtesy words. Here are some commonly used courtesy words. Please. Sorry. Excuse me. Kindly. Thank you. Welcome. When to say please. We use please to make a request more polite. Can I borrow your pen, please? When to say sorry. If you hurt, tease, insult, yell at, or disrespect someone. I'm sorry that I snapped at you. When to say excuse me. You say excuse me when you want to politely get someone's attention. Excuse me, but I have to say something. When to say kindly. Kindly used when asking someone to do something. Could you kindly send me the report? When to say thank you. Say thank you when someone does something for you or gives you a gift. Thank you for this nice gift. When to say welcome. When someone thanks you, respond with you're welcome to acknowledge their gratitude. Thank you for this nice gift. You're welcome. Practice these words with kids at home.
For more videos, subscribe the channel.